Hi friends, my name is Debbie and today we're going to be painting these Christmas ornaments. They have been popping in my Instagram page, so I decided to give it a try and see how this works. So let's jump in and get started. For this project, you're going to need 3 different size glasses. You're going to need a big one, a medium, and a small one, or you can use some lids. Anything that you have that is circles and you have 3 different sizes, that's going to work. So we're going to start off by using our paint. In this case, I'm using indigo, thick consistency. We don't want it too runny. We want when we apply the paint, we want it to stay in it on the paper. And then with a clean brush, we're going to move the paint. We're going to do some kind of gradient. And we want the outside or the circle on the outside to be darker and the inside to be lighter. That's going to give us the transparency that we want, and it's going to make it look like glass. So keep your highlights in the center and your shadows on the outside of the circle. So we're just moving the paint. Make sure every time you're gonna put a circle, make sure you let it dry 100% before you move to the next circle. And we're gonna put 5 circles, and this is just better composition. It looks better for your eye. It's just the way the composition works. It's always odd numbers, and it's gonna give you more balance to your card. This is not 100% cotton paper, so it's drying pretty quickly. But if you have 100% cotton paper, you're gonna have more time to move the paint around. Just make sure you keep your darker colors on the outside and keep your lighter colors on the inside. And you can use any colors that you like. This would be really nice with greens, with reds. Any kind of Christmas colors is gonna look just beautiful. We're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna go back with some gold watercolor. In this case, I got this one from Amazon. It's very affordable, and this is simple. We're just going around the circle. We're not gonna paint the bottom of this circle, and we're just gonna clean our brush, go back to it, and we're gonna blend the gold, keeping the bottom nice and clean. We're gonna put some on this one here on the left, and then we're gonna do some lifting because I want to keep the piece that holds the ornament, the centerpiece. We're gonna keep it clean because we're gonna be adding the kind of like the cap, and then we're gonna add the line that holds the ornament. So we're gonna add these details for the ornaments. Make sure you let all your ornaments dry completely. You don't want to be moving or spreading the paint around. We want to keep it in the circles, and we want to keep the card nice and clean. As you can see, this is very simple. It has not much to it, but it looks really pretty when everything comes together. And now we're putting the lines for the ornaments. We will be doing some more details for these ornaments. So for now, we're putting these lines. This is a simple step, stress-free card. I mean, you can do this with your kids, with your friends, and you can do so many of these because it goes pretty quick. So you can have different colors of bubbles. It's gonna be really cute. And now we're doing the final details, just adding some lines. And pretty much this is it, friends. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye, friends. Take care for now.